Hello guys. Hello guys, how are you? Hello everyone. Hello guys. I think we need to wait a little bit for the others, and in couple of minutes I will start to trade. So I just asking you again to be very active in the chat and asking me about anything you want, about anything you're interested in, and please put a likes and subscribe my channel, because this is very serious for me, very important for me to promote my channel more and more. At first we need to check the news. We need to check what news is going to be while I'm trading. So in 26 minutes with the Indian currency it will be a news, and with the Brazilians. But it was five news. There were 5 news just 3 minutes ago with the dollar, but I don't think that with the minimal volatility it will just change anything with in the market, I mean. So at first we need to turn off the currency pairs which have less than 72% income. 71 is also OK, but 72, so 72 here, and we need to turn on the currency pairs, the opposite ones, so which have more than 70% income. So Britannian pound and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, Switzerland franc, and euro and Australian dollar. Okay, I have done everything as I think. And again guys, hello Dan Zeditz, or what is your name? I don't know. Hello bro. Guys, please again put the likes. This is very important for me, and let's go. Let's trade to understand what is going on the charts, in the charts with the market. And my first deal I'm opening up on the currency pair Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, because we have an upgoing trend here, and the correction was started here and reversed in this place. Let me show you with my tools. on the broker. So here is the end of the correction, and here is the start of the correction. Let me fill it with the red color. Brandon, hello everyone, guys, hello. Please put the likes and subscribe my channel. So let me show you the upgoing trend with the ray. Here is it. We have an upgoing trend here. We have a trend supporting level inside of this situation also. That's why I think what we need to do just to wait for the end of this deal, guys. Again, if you have any questions about the binary options, about the trading, about me, about, I don't know, everything you're interested in, you need just to ask them in the chat and I will answer every your questions. So again, if you have any questions, please ask them in the chat and put a likes. This is very important for me. I've already opened my first deal during this trading session until I am making live streaming trading, and the deal was up on 15 minutes expiration because we have an upgoing trend here. And the correction, as I already shown you, was started in this place with the red rectangle and reversed in the green rectangle, and the price is going up to beat last high to continue its trend. What are good sources to check what is happening in the market? If you are asking about where you can check the news you can check on the site investing.com. Let me just copy and paste it in the chat and you will be able to use it. Guys, again, please put more likes. Actually, it is very serious and very important for me to promote my channel more, because if I will have promoted channel and, for example, we will have more viewers like when I am making a live streaming, we will get more questions, and for example, if you forget about any question to ask me, somebody else can ask about it and you will get the answer also. That's why this is very important to gather more community with the trading, with the streams, my live streamings, and etc. etc. So that's why I'm just again asking you to put more likes and subscribe my channel. Again, I've already opened deal up. Right now the correction just started a couple of minutes ago, again because after every reverse of the correction there you will be able to find mini corrections movements also. Must say full Islam. I'm from Armenia. Hello bro. Hello everyone, please guys, put more likes. This is very important for me. Please support me to promote my channel more. Guys, again, please ask your questions in the chat, like about trading, about binary options, about my private channel, about my bot on the platform AI. You can ask about anything you're interested in, as I told you. And the most important thing, to be active in the chat and putting likes. This is very important for me, seriously. For example, if you watch some videos, I don't know, my videos or somebody else video about trading, and you didn't understand something inside of that video, you can ask right now about that moment in the chat, and I'll explain you everything and answer you every your questions. Thank you for 8 likes, guys. Is it possible to make it 10? Sir, why did you select trading pairs with 72%? Because when, for example, your first deal is going to be minus, for example, you need a high income on that currency pair, because it is very important to, for example, for the double deal. After a minus, you need to beat your minus and get a plus with a double deal. When you are doing this, when you have a good income, like on that currency pair, you will beat the minus. For example, if you are opening a deal like $100 with the 75%, for example, you will be able, for example, to put the double deal $200 and make, for example, like $372. It means that you have invested $300 and get $372. And your main income will be 72%. Thank you for the likes, guys. Please put more likes and support me to promote my channel. This is very important for me, seriously. Can you please explain or maybe demonstrate with an example what do you mean about double deals? Of course, when I will, for example, when I have a minus, I will I will demonstrate it without any problem. For example, if I have a minus, I need to put a deal like $400 to open a deal on for $400. That's all. But right now I don't need to open such a deal, because right now the deal is going to be a plus. Again, guys, don't forget about likes and subscribe my channel, please. And again, I need to repeat it every time, that if you need to be explained about any questions, about any moments in the trading, I don't know, maybe you need to be explained about the futures tradings, like the crypto trading, I mean, about the forex, about anything you're interested in, just ask about it in chat and I will answer your every questions. I have under my working table, I have a foot massage maker. This is very comfortable for every trader. So if you are going to, if you are going to become a trader, serious professional trader with a stable income, like in months, in years, etc., etc., you need to make your comfortable place for working, to listen to the calm music as I'm doing every time. For example, I turned on the jazz music. Here is it. It's a cozy coffee shop, the name of this video. Very good, very calm music, and it's making me like more, my mind is getting like clever, clean, and I'm just trading. I don't think about anything else, and you need to do such a moment. It is very serious, guys. It's like something included in the psychology of trading. Guys, we need 1 like to get 10 likes. I don't think that it is difficult for you to just tap double times on the screen, on your display. Just put a like, please, and ask about anything you want in chat. Be more active. So again, the price started its correction, and we have 5 and a little bit more minutes till the end of this deal, so we need just to wait for the end. What should I do if the deal is negative? Twice in a row, meaning the first deal was negative, okay, and the second is also negative. Should I stop and reset, or should I open a third double deal? It actually depends on your amount. If for example me, I have a great amount, like for me it's a great one. It's 80 almost $4,000 on my amount, and I, for example, can let myself to put, like, to go till the sixth step. It means like 5 times I'm able to open a deal, like a double deal, I mean. But if, for example, you don't have such an amount, you have like $100, $200, or a little bit more. It is depend on your amount actually, but you need to put a double deal only inside your money management and risk management. This is also very, very important. These two rules, I mean money management and risk management, this is two golden rules of the trading. This is very important, guys. For example, in risk management, you already decided, for example, not to lose more than 10% per day. And if you are, for example, losing 10% from your amount, like in one day, you need just to finish your trading and go to have a rest or doing something else, and to continue your trading like in 2 days. Again, it depends on your psychology, it depends on your logic, etc., etc. If Brendan, if you didn't understand what I'm answering, please, I can repeat it. I don't know, more understandable. For example, I will do my best to teach, to explain you everything you need for trading, guys. This is my goal. This is my point, to make live streamings and making videos on my channel. So that's why, again, please put the likes and subscribe my channel. I'm really asking you so much. This is very important for me. Just help me to promote my channel more. Support me in this job. Thank you for 11 likes. No, all good. No problem. If you have any questions, more questions, please ask them. Because right now you are only the person who are asking some questions, and I'm really glad to answering you. That's why I need more questions. We need to make every our live streaming more interesting for everyone. More, I don't know, teachable for everyone, because you need to learn so much, guys. You need to practice so much to get so much experience, because this is all very important. Nothing is easy. Like you are able, for example, to trade with my signals, for example, in private channel, but if you are going to trade yourself, you need to really learn everything. You need to really get so much experience, because you don't need to have a problem with the trading, of course. So that's why, again, ask about anything you want in chat. a little bit problematic deal actually, because I really can't understand why the price is not going with its trend, upgoing trend. Sorry, guys. We have a 40 and a little bit more seconds left, and what is going on with the price? I really can't understand why the correction, this mini correction, I mean, not reversing, and the price need to go up to beat last minimum to continue its upgoing trend. Why this candle is going down and up, down and up? I don't like such a deal, seriously. When like almost the whole deal, the deal was going a plus, but in the end, so 4, 3, 2, 1, and in the end I have a minus. Mr. Matuza, hello. So that was awful, seriously. So I need right now to find some deal to put a double deal. For example, here it's good situation right now. I have opened a deal down because you can see the downgoing trend, local downgoing trend. It's a triangle also, and the price need to go down, for example, or to beat the last, to beat the supporting level. I need to show it. Here we have a supporting level, support area, I mean. Or the price need to go beat this level, or pushed up by the level, I mean. Guys, please put more likes. I have opened a deal $400. This is double deal, and I need a plus right now. Can you maybe explain more detail about what are the guidelines for risk management as it relates to knowing when to open trades and how to decide for how long should I trade deals for? Of course, I will explain you everything again. Guys, put more likes, please. The most important thing that you need to really count your money management and risk management. Money management, it means like not to put on your first deal more than 1%, 2% from your amount. This is about money management. About risk management, you need to understand, for example, how much you are ready to lose and how much you need to earn per day. Of course, 100% it's like something impossible, because if you're going to earn every day like 100% income of your amount, this is really very difficult moment, and I don't think that this is logical. But you can, for example, choose a 5%, 3% income every day, or lose. Don't forget about the losing also. And when, for example, you are lose or get an income such a percentages, you need to just leave your trading. So in the end, I have a plus, guys. So I have invested in 2 deals $600, and I have get $156 income. Let me just write it. Sorry. Let me just write it here. $156 with these 2 deals. But this is very dangerous situation on this currency pair. This is Britannian pound and Canadian dollar. I need to find another situation on the other currency pair. Guys, again, please put more likes. This is very important, really, guys, for me. So let me open one more deal on 5 minutes up on the currency pair Australian dollar and Japanese yen, because we have an upgoing trend, as you can see. Here we have start of the correction. Here is it, and here is the end of the correction. I hope that I'm right here. I've decided to put a deal up because I understood with these green candles, here is it, that the price already reversed the correction and going to go up to beat last high to continue its trend. But I have put on 5 minutes expiration because there is a risk to continue its correction here. That's why I have opened on 5 minutes, because I think 5 minutes is enough. 5 minutes are enough to get a plus from this deal. So we need just to wait for the end of this deal. And again, please put more likes and subscribe my channel. This is very important for me, guys. Yeah, Avas, you are thinking that it will go down? It can actually, but let's see. Why it can? Because the correction was very, very little one, but the last corrections was longer, were longer. That's why it can, for example, continue its correction a little bit. But let's wait for the end of this deal, okay? Guys, please put more likes. Hello, SNX Synthetics. Hello, bro. How are you? Put more likes, guys. Let's beat 20 likes, please. This is not difficult for you to put a like, seriously. To the moon. Could you check SNX synthetics TA, please? What you mean? Where I need to check it? Guys, I need just 6 likes till the 20 likes, please. Just put the likes. Thank you for the likes, synthetics. Thank you, bro. Again, guys, if you have any questions about the binary options, about trading, about I don't know, about anything you're interested in, just ask about it in the chat and I will answer every your questions, as I told you. Cryptocurrency, SNX and synthetics. On the binary options, on this broker, we don't have real quotes of the cryptocurrency. Oh. The whole cryptocurrencies, as you can notice, with the letters OTC. If you don't know what it means, like I mean about the OTC, this is something from the broker. This is not a real quotes, and that's why this is very dangerous to trade with the currency pairs which have the letters OTC. That's why I'm every time just asking you and advising you. Like in the weekend when the main currency pair is not working, but you need to, for example, practice to get more experience. You can do it with the demo account on the currency pairs with the OTC letters. You can just practice on demo account to get more and more experience, because the experience is really the halfway to get a professional trader. Again, in the end, we have a dangerous moment. Hi, is it possible to make 2 or 3% on daily basis for 1.5 leverage with you? This is possible to make 2 and 3%. This is not a problem actually with it, but I need to understand the other side, the other part of your question. Let me just copy it again. Um, 150 leverage with you. Actually, I'm making like 2 leverage. Like I mean, every time I'm making a double deal. 1.5, I don't know. I really didn't try it seriously. So 3, 2, 1 seconds left, and again a plus. It's $154 more of my income. I mean, 154. It means $310 of my income during this trading session, during my live streaming. Hello, Divin. Hello, bro. There is a bullish divergence on weekly signal flashed for SN. Brother, I really can't understand what you want, seriously. Put more likes, guys, please. So I need to find one more deal. So put more likes and I will open one more deal. I need 3 likes till the 20 likes, please. Brother, SNX, I am not trading on the cryptocurrencies inside this broker. Please, don't ask about anything else. Like, I don't know about the SNX or something like that cryptocurrency. Okay? I can't explain or to give some advice for you with it. Okay, if you have any other questions, please ask them. But if you don't, I'm not going to answer anymore about this currency, these cryptocurrencies, because I'm not trading on this cryptocurrency. Okay. Guys, please put more likes. Hello in Freeme, how are you? So I've opened the deal down on 2 minutes because I have a resistance level here. That level was, you can notice that that level was a supporting level one, but when it was beaten here with this candle, big red candle, it need to become opposite level. When the level is beaten by the price, you need to understand that the level with the 70 and more percentages can be reversed level. Like right now I've used this level as a resistance level, as you can notice also. Which time to set is best for beginners? I think morning is the best time for the beginners, if you mean about trading. I mean, for example, if my start capital is $1,000, is it possible to make 1,030 on daily basis and continue with compound next day? Of course it's possible. Of course it's possible, and this is a good way to trade, actually, to making stable income, like with trading, I mean. Actually, the level was worked just for one candle, and right now the level was beaten. The price just back to the inside its trading corridor. Okay. You are not putting a likes, that's why I'm having a minuses. Just put more likes. Why it is so difficult for you? Seriously, I can't understand. I need to find the deal for the double deal. Again, a deal from the resistance level. I hope that this time the resistance level on this currency pair will work without any problem. What is the leverage you are using? With my amount, I can, for example, let myself to use till D6 leverage, actually. Like 200, 400, 800, 1600, etc, etc. Because I have a large amount, I mean. Guys, you can't put 3 likes? This is so difficult really for you? So I have a 5 seconds left till the end of this deal. And I have a plus, and I've earned $156 again. That means that I've earned $466. Oh, sorry. Come, let's do this more likes, please. Yes, I really can't understand what is the problem to put more likes, seriously. why do you split the trading balance and use only $400 each trade? Because you need to just a minute please, I need to remember the word. You need to stick to the two golden rules. This is money management and risk management. Two golden rules in trading. Like you need to, if you don't know what is it, or you can, for example, find the videos about these two rules in my channel right now where you are watching the live streaming, or you can find yourself like any information about it in the internet. It is not difficult to do it, but this is very important rules, and if you are going to really become a really professional trader with a stable income, you need to learn about this very carefully, guys. But as I understood, you are not able to put just a couple of likes to get 20 likes. I really can't, seriously, I really can't understand what is the problem like to put a like. So in my last, as you can notice, in my last currency pair, as I told you, if you remember, if you are watching the stream from the start, the upgoing trend just went on, and the last high, as I told you, was beaten by the price, and now it will be a correction here. What situation here? From this level also, as I told you, as you can see, the level pushed up the price. But right now I have a good situation here. I'm going to open a deal down with the 5 minutes, because at first we have a downgoing local trend, and we have a, let me show you with the horizontal line another one. We have a level here, we have a resistance level here. Let me show you normally. Here is it. I opened my next deal down on the currency pair Britannian pound and Canadian dollar on 5 minutes expiration, because I thought that, for example, the correction is able to a little bit going on, but as you can notice, the level pushed down already the price, and what we need to do, just wait for the end of this deal. But please, again, guys, put more likes. Why it is so difficult for you? I really can't understand. This is maybe the 1,000th of times that I am repeating it. What pair? It's GBP and CAD. It's Britannian pound and Canadian dollar. Is it possible to ask you to put one more like, and it will be at 20 likes? The person who is not going to put a like, just explain me in chat why. I'm explaining everything. I'm answering your questions. I'm just showing the real trading. You will not be able to find so much traders who are able really to make such live streamings, to trade online, to show you real trading. This is really, like, not every trader is really can do it, seriously. And I'm doing this all for you to make you understand trading better, to give you every explanation that you need to learn better. What is the problem just to put a like and give me thank you with this like? Seriously. You mean about the gold? Yes. Oh, thank you. Thanks God. Seriously, 20 likes. Thank you very much. I put a like already, but if it was possible, I would put many likes. Thank you, Stanto, thank you, brother. I really can't understand why the other people not just putting likes. What is the problem? Danny Brown, thank you, bro. Thank you for your help. Thank you, everyone. Thank you who are just giving me a likes, and thanks. I'm appreciated, seriously, guys. Thank you very much. This is my first time of watching. Hello, just nice to meet you here. No problem, Vance. Tell us about your execution model. You mean about my what model? You mean execution? Like what you mean? How I'm trading? You mean, or what? Guys, you are not able to find any really working strategy that you are, for example, able to use only this and trade in plus every time. It's impossible. The most important thing, you need to learn the technical analysis. You need to just able to read the market, to read the charts, and you need to learn the patterns, you need to learn the trends, the corrections, the levels, of course. You need to at first check the news. Maybe, for example, you are going to learn how to trade with the news, or etc, etc. But only one strategy, it's impossible to use only one strategy and getting every time a pluses. It's really impossible. If you are really interested in to have a stable income, you need to learn everything. You need to understand what is trading, why, for example, I need to put up or not down, etc, etc. And this everything is included inside the technical analysis. One more plus, it's $178 income. $178. I need a calculator to check it better, to count it better. 466 plus 178. 178, it's $644 income just in 40 minutes, in 45 minutes. This is very, I think, good result. Do you do this every day? In the week, I am just making a live streaming couple of times, like today, Wednesday, and Thursday also. Tomorrow also I will make a live streaming. So you need to be subscribed my channel not to miss them, my live streamings, and ask about anything you want, anything you're interested in, because trading, this is not something simple to trade and to get income every time. This is something very serious, and you need to understand it. This one more deal up $200 because we have an upgoing trend, and every correction was not so long. That's why this time I already decided that the correction already reversed by the price, and I hope that without any problem I will get a plus. But if I have a minus, I will just finish my trade. Guys, again, one more time, I'm just asking you to put more likes. This is very important for me. Support me to promote my channel more. This is very important for me. And this is also very motivation for me also. Entry criteria. This is all, everything depends on the market, on the technical analysis. And I am repeating, for example, every time the logical moments of my entries. For example, now we have an upgoing trend. I noticed that every time the corrections was short ones, you know? That's why I decided that this time also the correction be short. That's why I've opened the deal up, and the price need to go up to beat the last high. This is the last high was beaten already, and now just we'll start the correction. But I hope that my deal will be a plus. Every time I'm explaining you my entries. Actually, I have seen some improvements since I went back to basics. Master price action. Yes, price actions also. You need to learn so much, guys. You need to, but the most important thing, after when you are learning, you need to practice on demo account, guys, so much. You need to get so much experience, because experience is really decided so many things in trading. That's why I have decided to make a live streamings, because this is a chance for you to ask anything you want, anything you are interesting in to understand better the trading. One more deal, plus deal, it's $170. Let me plus it also. It's 644 plus $170. This is $814. Perfect. Thank you for one like also. Nice. Thank you, Raja. What is your age after learning technical analysis? What you mean, like age? You mean the percentage of income per day, or what you mean? When you are making, after learning technical analysis, you are learning technical analysis every time. You need to write down the every moment that is misunderstanding for you, because if, for example, this is actually you will use with experience also, but every time when you are trading, you are getting more experience, and every time when, for example, you are watching some new situations, some new patterns or something like that, you need to write down somewhere or make a screenshot, for example. Just create new folder in your computer, and every time just put it inside of this folder the interesting moments of your trading, and making analysis every time, because it's 100% you will meet the same situation somewhere else, maybe somewhere in other currency pairs. You will meet the same situation, and you will already know what to do in the same situation, because the patterns, the setups really very often just repeat it. Seriously. Of course, this is the market, this is a trading, and everything can be happened every time, but if you have enough experience, you will be able to solve any problem, to solve any question, and you will be able to, the most important thing, you will be able to trade every time with the pluses, with the incomes, and you will get a stable income, as I told you. The most important thing, the most important goals of us to make you a professional traders with the stable income every month. What time frame are you in there on GBP CAD, as it is very different from mine, because this is M1 time frame, bro. I don't know, maybe your time frame is another one, but my time frame is M1. I don't know what you are watching, but it's impossible to have different charts like in two accounts. It's impossible. What are views for today? Jolt's news about us. I'm not using a news. Opposite. I am trying not to trade when there were a news. For example, I am checking the news. Till the news we need 30 minutes, and after news 30 minutes. And if, for example, we don't have any problem with it, in these windows we are going to trade. This is my strategy. This is my part of trading. I don't know, but there are of course the traders who are using a news, and depends on the news they are putting up or down. If you are, for example, able to trade like this, no problem, you need so trade with the news, but I'm not doing that. So there are actually so many types of traders. I am that type of trader who are not using the news. Again, is it possible to make more likes, to put more likes on this live streaming, guys? And again, if you have any questions, just ask them, please. So you are only trading in London session only? No, I can, for example, use the American session also, European sessions. Guys, is it possible to ask you more, put more likes? And again, if you have any questions, just ask them, please. And right now I'm going to actually withdraw some amount. Like, let me withdraw $4,000 on my cryptocurrency amount. Oh, sorry, Tether USDT TRC20 amount 4,000. This is my amount, and I need to put there an authentication code from Google. Perfect. So just we need to wait a couple of hours and I will get my withdrawal. So today's income is more than $1,000 already. It's a very good day actually for trading, seriously. So you're on hello clever lords, hello everyone, guys. Again, please put more likes, guys, this is very important for me. 3-hour withdrawal, you mean 3 hours or what? I've put $4,000 to withdraw, and it can be withdrawal like in 1 hour or 30 minutes and 4 hours. It depends on broker actually, but this is not so long. I have already received the email about the withdrawal. Here is it. Can you watch or not? This is email when you are putting a withdrawal, like some amount to withdrawal. So as you can see, the whole my deals is really were a plus, like, and everything what I told you, just the price is going just like this. Dimas, pocket not a scam, brother. If you can't trade, if you are not able to earn money, don't write something like this, because you are look like a hater, you know. This is not a normal. For example, when a person like I don't know, maybe you are more than 30 or 20 years old, but if you are less, I'm able to understand. But if you are not, if you are like old one, it is not beautiful actually when you are writing something like that, because if you are not able to earn money, this is not means that this is a scam. This is not beautiful that you are writing something like that. If, for example, you are not interested in the trading or in trading on the binary options, I don't know, you need to just go yourself to trade everywhere you want, but not sitting on my live streaming and writing something like that. This is not normal. You can't withdrawal. Okay, write to the support. They will help you to withdrawal, because if, for example, you are sign up your account not after your name, yes, you will have a problem with the withdrawal. But if you signed up after you need to make a verification, for example with your passport or something like that. I'm using Pocket for maybe this is the 7 years that I'm using it, and I didn't have any problem with the withdrawals. And I'm sure that there are in the internet so many people that are able to prove you that the Pocket is not a scam. Pocket is the best broker right now in the world. I mean, the broker of the binary options. So when somebody writing something like this is, I don't know, it's unbelievable actually. When somebody just writing about this about the pocket scam, this is really unbelievable. How much time do you trade per day? Brother, I'm trading like almost the whole day. If I'm not, for example, opening a deals, I'm analyzing the charts every time. And you need to be ready for this also. If you are going to become a trader, you need to analyze so much hours like the charts, because what I am doing, I'm just sitting at home in front of my computer. I just can drink anything I want. I can eat everything I want. I don't have a boss. I don't have somebody who can tell me what I need to do, etc., etc. I am making money just myself, with my mind, with my brain, you know. And this is really fantastic moment. You can say they do shady practices, brokers like pocket option and IQ options, but trust me, they work just fine. Yes, they are working. I don't know about the IQ options because I've used like IQ options maybe before pocket, maybe I don't remember. But right now the broker pocket option is the best broker right now. I mean about the binary options I'm speaking. Guys, I've already closed so many deals actually, pluses deals. I've earned how much I've earned, like $814, and I'm making a withdrawal $4,000, and that means that this day was very good day actually, with very good profit. And I hope that every one of you will be able to get some kind of profits every day also, but you need to work so much, you need to learn every time, you need to practice so much also, you need to get so much experience for trading. So guys, tomorrow I will make another my live streaming, so I will I hope really to see you all of you tomorrow on my live streaming also. And I hope you enjoyed this live streaming, and if you are, please put more likes, because this is very important for me. Subscribe my channel, also very important, because that's all steps are helping me to promote my channel more. You are supporting me to do it, so that's why I'm asking you so many times during my live streaming, because this is very important. Very cool stuff. Thank you. See you next time. See you, Danny. Very good stuff. You got books I can read. You can just learn with my videos already. I think this is enough, because I'm doing my best to shoot so many videos for you and to making live streamings. When I were learning like maybe 8 or 9 years ago, I was using books or some, I don't know, sites to learn it, but now right now you can just watch and learn. This is more comfortable actually. Thank you all of you guys for putting a likes, to be active, or for everything. See you tomorrow, see you later. I need to just to have a rest a little bit, because I will have the evening session, trading session in my private channel. So if you want to join my private channel to trade with my signals, you need to go with the link below in the description of this live streaming to the Telegram, and right there I will take you to my private channel, and we will start to rob the broker as I do usual together already. Again, thank you very much. See you later. See you on trade, guys. I finished my live streaming. Tomorrow the same time. Subscribe my Telegram channel, and you will not be able to miss any live streamings or videos.